Hi folks, Tim here at timsclass.com. Today we're going to make a chair. You can see I've got some 3/8 inch steel flat bar. It's 2 inches wide. We've taken it, it was a flat piece of metal, and we've used our little Harbor Freight metal bender here and bent it basically like a chair. So I've already done one over here. Let's walk over here. And you can kind of see how these are going to lay out. So our next process is going to be to cut the slats for the seat and the bottom and the back. So I'm just going to lay these down and we're going to go ahead and cut. We're going to make this measurement at 22 inches. I'm kind of a big guy, got a big butt. You know how it is. From over here. So let's cut this at 22 inches. Probably not going to do a whole lot of talking during this video, so much as I am going to be working. I want to get this project done today, but hopefully you'll get to watch the process. Anytime you're making several cuts, I always recommend you doing a stop. And by that I mean you just take a block of wood, screw it down to your platform, set it the right distance, so that way every measurement you make is going to come out the same. So I'm going to set that up right there, and that's going to be our mark. That part all done. Next step is just to clean up the edges here. Pretty well good to go. Anytime you're working with wood, especially pressure treated lumber, you'll see you've got the curvature of the growth rings. You always want to put those where it's like a frown anytime that you're doing that, just to make sure that it doesn't cup up at a later date. Okay folks, there you have it. There's your old school bouncy chair like Grandma used to have. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Till next class. Well, let's hope we can make a little more. So till next class, have a good day. Get you a chair like this. Hi folks, Tim here, timsclass.com. If I can get this thing out, I'll show you what we're doing today. All right, stop. Okay, now I got it. Try again.